My dear students, today we will study Chapter 3, Food and Health. We all eat food. Food is necessary to remain alive. So there are some functions of food. Food helps us to grow and remain healthy. Food gives us strength to do work. Food helps us to keep diseases away. In the food, some substances are present. These substances are essential for our body. These are called nutrients. Types of nutrients are carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients are essential for our body, and each and every nutrient has some specific function. Water is essential for our body. Functions of water are to remove waste from our body and to regulate body temperature. Proteins are nutrients which help in growth. Proteins build new tissues and help in growth and healing of wounds. So proteins are also called body building food. Carbohydrates and fats, these both nutrients provide energy. But fats provide more energy than carbohydrates. Carbohydrates and fats, these are called energy giving food. Vitamins, these regulate growth, protect us from diseases. Minerals help to build bones and teeth. They also make muscles strong, also help nervous system to function properly. Vitamins and minerals are called protective food because they protect us from diseases. Water and roughage are also essential components of food. Although these do not provide any nutrients, but these are essential because water helps in digestion, excretion, and maintenance of body temperature. Roughage itself cannot be digested, but it helps in removal of undigested food from body. If any person does not consume roughage, he may suffer from constipation. Balanced diet. We all should have balanced diet. Now what is this balanced diet? A diet that has all the nutrients in proper amount is called balanced diet. A diet which has all the nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals in sufficient amount, this type of diet is called balanced diet. Now, balanced diet varies from person to person. Balanced diet for a child is different, and balanced diet for an adult person is different. Children need more proteins in balanced diet because they are growing, and for the growth, more proteins are required. Farmers and athletes, they need more carbohydrates and fats because they do a lot of physical work. So to get energy for doing physical work, farmers and athletes need more carbohydrates and fats. Next topic is diseases. Now what is a disease? What is definition of disease? Abnormal condition of our body where body functions are affected is called disease. Diseases may be lifestyle diseases, which are caused due to unhealthy food habits and lifestyle. Diseases may be deficiency diseases, which are caused due to deficiency of one or more nutrients in food. Means if any nutrient is taken in small amount, then that person may suffer from deficiency disease. Obesity, it is a type of disease and it is lifestyle disease. It is caused due to overeating and less physical work. If any person overeats and does not do physical exercise or physical work, that person may become fat, that person may become obese. We can check whether any person is obese or not by using body mass index formula. This body mass index or BMI can be calculated by a formula: body weight in kilogram divided by height in meters. Body weight in kilogram divided by height in meters. This gives body mass index. If any person has body mass index between 18 to 25, then the person can be said to be healthy. So, healthy body mass index is 18 to 25. High blood pressure is also a disease. It is also called hypertension. It may be caused due to obesity. It may be caused due to lack of exercise, or it may be caused for having too much salt. Diabetes is a disease when glucose level in the blood increases. Now, why this glucose level in the blood increases? This I will explain to you. In our body, there is an organ, pancreas. Pancreas gives out a fluid. Pancreas gives out pancreatic juice, which contains insulin. Now, this insulin breaks down glucose to simple form. If insulin is not given out, if pancreas is not working properly and insulin is not given out, then glucose remains as it is. So glucose level in the blood increases and a disease named diabetes is found in that person. If any person does not eat balanced diet, that person may suffer from any deficiency disease. With the deficiency of vitamin A, there may be loss of vision or night blindness. Symptoms of this disease are poor vision, loss of vision, or person is not able to see at night. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes disease beriberi. Symptoms of this disease are weak muscles and very little energy to work. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. Symptoms for scurvy are bleeding gums and wounds take longer time to heal. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets. In this disease, bones become soft and bones are bent. Deficiency of calcium causes bones and tooth decay. The name of disease is osteoporosis. In this disease, bones become weak and tooth start decaying. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. In this type of disease, neck swells and children may become mentally disabled. Deficiency of iron causes anemia. Symptoms for anemia are weakness. Because hemoglobin in the patient becomes less, that results in weakness. We can prevent diseases if we follow some rules. Take healthy diet. Say no to junk food. Drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. Do physical exercise. Sleep for 8 hours.